In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a portfolio in Yahoo Finance. To get started, open your web browser and go to finance.yahoo.com. This will take you to the Yahoo Finance homepage. If you want your portfolio to be saved and accessible later, make sure you're signed in to your Yahoo account. Portfolios are stored under your profile, allowing you to access them again whenever you need. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top left area of the page and find the My Portfolio option in the main navigation menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the Yahoo Finance homepage and not on another page. If your browser window is narrow, expand the menu until the option becomes visible. Click on My Portfolio to open the Portfolio section. Here, you'll see any existing lists or a prompt to create something new. Inside this section, select Create New Portfolio. This starts the setup process for creating a new portfolio. When you are presented with the available options, choose Create Manually. This option allows you to start from scratch and add positions later according to your own preferences. After selecting the manual creation option, click Continue. If the Continue button is unavailable, make sure the manual creation option is selected before proceeding. Next, you will be asked to enter a name for your portfolio. Type a name that clearly identifies the portfolio, choose a name that reflects its purpose, and use a label that will still be easy to recognize later. After entering the name, click Create Portfolio. Yahoo Finance will create the portfolio and take you to the overview page for that portfolio. From the overview page, your new portfolio is ready. You can begin adding symbols, transactions, and additional details whenever you want. If you return to Yahoo Finance in the future, simply go back to the My Portfolio section to access the portfolio you created. Since it is connected to your Yahoo account, it will be available whenever you're signed in. To review the process, start by going to finance.yahoo.com and signing in to your Yahoo account. Locate the My Portfolio option and open it. Select Create New Portfolio, choose the Manual Creation option, and click Continue. Enter a name for the portfolio, and then click Create Portfolio to finish the setup. After completing these steps, your new portfolio will be created and displayed on its overview page, where you can begin managing and organizing it whenever you're ready. That's all there is to creating a portfolio in Yahoo Finance. Thank you for watching.